Look at this creepy. You know how long it's been stuck there? All day.
How's it? My name's Chris. I like doing stuff, and this is my garage. And this is my creepy. Now, I've had this creepy for about a year. Works well, but every 6 months it needs a bit of TLC. The problem with the TLC on this is there are not a lot of them around, so the spare parts aren't easy to find. So the last time I needed a spare, I got a hold of Pente, who owns the Creepy Crawly brand, I guess. And I was trying just to get a new clutch. I knew what the problem was, I knew what I needed to do, and I knew what I needed to do to solve it. Now eventually some woman told me, no, I need to bring it into the service department and they're going to replace it and service it, and it's very expensive and it takes a long time because it takes so long to strip this machine. And they've got to replace all the inside parts for it to work again, which I knew was rubbish. And I know what the problem is inside here. This thing has just got a bit loose, there's some gunk, and this has started to slip. Now I shouldn't be doing that. So all I'm going to do is strip this thing apart in less than the 40 minutes that Creepy Crawly says it takes. Take out all the gunk, tighten up all the bits, and it should be good as new. As you can see, it's not exactly a complicated process to take it apart. Everything clips, there's no tools required. Now what these things do require, you can see the little flaps on the bottom. Those things wear on the surface of the pool. My pool's Marblite, so it's quite rough. You need to replace those from time to time. These bellows, because this device just goes up and down like this the whole time, these perish and wear out. Easy, and you can normally buy those at any pool shop. Although normally not in grey, you can get them in purple, the original colour of the Creepy Crawly. Then, every now and then, there's a couple more complex bits that go. Not that there's a lot of complicated bits inside this machine. The one that goes the most is the clutch, which I'll shortly remove. This is the clutch. It's pretty simple. It's just got a little gearbox inside there. As this thing turns around, this is what ratchets up the creepy. And by ratcheting the creepy, it moves the big planetary gear. The big planetary gear moves the part on the top, and that makes it turn on its hose. And by doing that, it randomly travels around the pool, which is all good and well when it works. So this is the part I replaced last time. So Pente wanted like, I don't know, $600 to do the job. I think I found this eventually online for, I think with shipping this and a few other bits and pieces, ended up costing me about $150. So all I've done is taken it apart. The clutch seems fine, so I know that's not really the issue. I doubt that it was the issue because it's brand new. And it's more of a chance of all this, you see all this gunk, the stuff just builds up inside the creepy over time. So it's just really a matter of taking this thing apart, cleaning out all the rubbish, putting it back together, making sure everything's aligned and working well. So basically I'm just going to put this back together now. It's pretty straightforward. It goes the same way as it came apart. Not very exciting to watch. And once done, we'll go chuck it in the pool. Basically, how this thing works is that this is a flapper that sits inside the creepy. So when you've got a suction on your line here, it sits inside here and it flaps back to back. As it flaps back to back, it starts turning this clutch. And this clutch has just got a little finger here that stops turning back. This clutch turns the gears, turns the planetary gear. When it turns the planetary gear, it turns the top, and the top where the hose is attached, and that allows it to move around the pool backwards and forwards and turn randomly. And this clutch self-explanatory. It actually moves in two directions. So it's got two sets of gears that move counter to each other, and that's what allows it to move left and right on top.
And there she goes. Turning, moving, doing exactly what it should do. Thanks for watching. Keep your eyes out for the next video.